Strengthen the capacity of youth in technology.
Talk about what Somalis want, what the people want, what the future holds. It's very much a conversation that involves the youth. You are the most significant demographic cohort in the country. The United Nations in virtually all of our programming across the education sector, across the development sector, humanitarian response, there is always an emphasis and a concern on what this will mean for youth and how will it impact youth.
We are working to expand access to education, create employment opportunities, promote the health and well-being, and strengthen youth participate in the governance initiatives such as youth empowering skills programs, sports and peace activity, and the youth entrepreneurship projects empowering thousands of young Somali to shape a bright future. To the youth of Somalia, you are the foundation of peace, progress, and prosperity. Your voice, dreams, and ideas will shape the Somalia we all envision, one that is a unity, strong, and full of promise.